Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another So Fresh and So Clean video. My name is AJ. I'm the owner of So Fresh and So Clean, and if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Now, first things first, I want to talk about my appreciation for anybody who has ever supported me on this channel, man. Whether you've liked, shared, commented, or even subscribed to this channel. I really do appreciate each and every one of y'all because we just hit 10,000 subscribers just the other day, and now we're already fixing to hit 11,000. So y'all really made my dreams come true, and it just lets me know my hard work is finally paying off. And so in today's video, what we're going to be talking about is some Space Jam 11s that I did back in 2019. I just never got around to editing this video and posting it for the world to see. But what we're talking about is some important steps that you need to take whenever you're unyellowing soles, and how to get professional results that turn your soles from this to this every single time. Now, like I said, this video was shot back in 2019, so you will see some old products that I used to use that I'm no longer affiliated with. I actually just got the opportunity to become a New Life Kicks affiliate, and that's all the product that I use now. You could actually see some of the results I get in some of the shorts and some of the other videos that I'll be posting here in the future. Now, if you do like this video and you do find it helpful, make sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video, all right?
Depo on the beat.
Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, man, these aren't bad at all. They just need a light cleaning as well as some sole unyellowing. And so the first thing we're going to do to get started is give these soles a clean up. Now, you want to make sure to take your time on this because you need to get rid of all the dirt that you see within the crevices of the sole. Any dirt left behind will definitely affect the results that you get in the end. And now I know what you're thinking. AJ, this sole looks pretty clean, but 90% of the time, there's still some dirt that you can't see with the naked eye. So we're going to take some Q-tips, some cotton rounds, and some acetone to get that cleaned off. So remember when I said we got to get these soles looking squeaky clean. So any layer of film or dirt can stop that sole sauce from penetrating the rubber as deep as it needs to. For my restorers out there, if you've been getting okay results, then implement this step into your process and watch your results get way better than before. One thing I will point out is don't be uneducated like me. One of my good friends pointed out that I wasn't wearing gloves, and he said that acetone seeping into your hands can actually cause cancer, so make sure to wrap it up, stay safe. And speaking of covering up, it's time for a tape job. When you have heat involved, whether in an indoor or outdoor setup, that carbon fiber plate can get pretty hot and melt that glue if you're not careful. So this is just a precautionary method to keep that from happening. I personally always add 3 layers, but you do what you want. Moving on, go ahead and cut out a piece of cling wrap that you're going to wrap tightly around the whole entire shoe. This is going to make sure that the sauce is sealed, and that way it doesn't evaporate too quickly during a session. Now, this right here was drip before drip was even created, so y'all let me know down in the comments below if I made the right decision on the name I chose. Oh yeah, and if you want to try a bottle out, go ahead and check out the link in the description. If you're wondering how much sauce to add a medium thick coat, because remember, you're doing a 12 to 24 hour session. It's pretty necessary when you want to get the best results possible. After you got that thing wrapped up, go ahead and throw it in your indoor or outdoor setup. Indoor meaning you got some type of grow light, outdoor meaning you're using the sun, which both work, but the sun does take a little bit longer to get the results you're looking for. For a good indoor light, go ahead and check out the link in the description. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you perform the steps that I showed you correctly in today's video, you should get results just like this every single time. The results shown are just after 2 24-hour sessions, and you can't tell me that those shoes don't look beautiful again. Now that's what we call so fresh and so clean. Yes, sir. This video right here is just showing how they look in the natural sunlight and what you should expect from drip over other competitors, because we save soles one pair at a time. Like I said, if you want to check it out, go to the link in my description, and if you've made it this far, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. And go ahead and check out these other two videos. Now until the next one, I'll see y'all later, man. Peace.